Massive move today in crude oil. Let's take a look at some of the crude oil algos that we trade. Cobra Crude up 24.75. Cobra Crude Aggressive up 24.75. And the biggest winner on the day is plus 65.60 on Cobra Crude 2022. We developed this in Q4 of 2021. Let's take a look at some more history on this. Here is the history back to the beginning of 2020. The strategy doesn't work so well before 2020, so it has a very short record. But we developed it in Q4 of 2021. So in this time frame right here is when it was developed, and it kind of went sideways for a while. After this trade is over, this equity curve only posts closed trade profits. So it should be at a new equity peak if it closes in here. If it exits this trade in here, it should be at equity peaks. It's about $5,000 off its equity peak. And it's up about $6,000 today. Intraday, that is Cobra Crude 2022. This strategy also trades on the Nasdaq, and this is a strategy we're trading in our stock index portfolio 25, and you can see it's been one of our top performers, just very consistent, going at equity peaks. And then you have Cobra 2022 traded on the 30-year bond, and once this trade is booked, you should see that added to the equity curve. So this only plots the closed trade equity curve. And so this trade is up almost $3,000. So if you add $3,000 to that, this line will go up here and you'll see a green dot. If this trade is booked in this, if it exits in this range right here, possible it could reverse and give some of that back. So that is one of the top strategy setups that we're looking at. Once again, we developed this in Q4 2021. It's having a great out of sample in 2022 with trading bonds, crude oil, and Nasdaq. And we're just trading this right now on the Nasdaq. And the potential for this is smaller because it has a profit target on the Nasdaq, while these two will really let the profits run. And if you take a look here, let's look at the equity curve. Let's look at the periodical returns. Up 11,125 in 2022. And this is with $50 round turn slippage and commission. Bonds has a bigger spread, and so you need more of a slippage and commission factor. So we're using $50 round turn slippage and commission with this, and this is in the portfolio calculator. And it does work historically before 2020, not as well, but the equity curve is still up, whereas in crude oil the equity curve is downward before 2020. So wanted to share Cobra 2022 with you, as well as the crude oil trades for this massive surge in crude oil, up 9% on the day. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.